Morning YouTubers. I got a little project here. Do it yourself project. It's a little toolbox for the young man in your life. It's very easy to do. I'll run through step by step how I done it. I won't go through how the sawing part and the sanding part. That gets a little boring. But I got a call from Santa a few nights ago. He asked me would I give him a helping hand at making a toolbox for Jimmy. That's a sure thing, right? Jimmy's from Musgrave Harbour, up on the East Coast. Anyway, Jimmy, this is what Santa asked me to do for you. I'll show you some of the things I got in here. Pick these things up at the dollar store. There's a hand saw. Another little saw. Safety glasses. Gotta wear them. Some nails. Big head nails, so safe around your fingers. A little hammer. Measuring tape. Level. And a carpenter's pencil. I got some board in here for you to saw and a hammer. Some funnels, in case you want to fill up your chainsaw or your skidoo. Help Dad around the shop, I guess. Lock and key to put everything safely away. Few little wrenches here. Anyway, Jimmy, I hope you like your gift from Santa. He's coming here sometime today to pick it up. I don't know if you'll see him, but he's picking it up today. Anyway, guys, I'll show you the measurements, the pattern for this, and very easy to do. Great weekend project. Back again, folks. Here's the pattern for the end. Very simple. 3 inches on top, 4.5 on the side, 7 inches on the bottom, 8.5 over all. I put a 15-degree angle from here, and the bottom piece that fits down inside is also cut on a 15-degree angle on your table saw, so that you just drop it down and have it a little wider so it won't go down right down to the bottom. Just tack a couple little nails in right here, hold it in place. I drilled the holes and countersink with a 3/8 countersinker. Put plugs in there. I didn't put no glue on it because if it happened to break a board, it's easier to get off if there's no glue there. Anyway, the overall length of this one is 16 inches on the sides. The sides, the bottom, and the handles all 16 inches. So when you saw it, just put them all in your, stack them on your chop saw, and run it all down through, and then everything is the same length. Anyway, I'll show you some pictures along the way. Back again, guys. I got the 2 ends cut out and drill. I'll sand this now. I got a little shave for here. You can round over if you want to. 2 ends. This is the bottom. That's the angle there. Hope you can see it. So all I got left to do now is cut the sides. So the bottom, the handle, and the sides is all the same length. So just put any chaps there. This here now is a little bit different. So I'll put it all together, slice it off there. Everything fit in between. Excellent. So anyway, guys, anyone want the pattern for this in? Just leave a comment, leave a note in the comment section, say you'd like to have a pattern. And there's no problem doing one up yourself. You get all the measurements there, just put a little curve here from any type of tub or whatever. Anyway guys, I hope you like it. Back again guys. Got all my boards cut out now for my next little thing. Toolbox. Like I said, I got all these cut same length. The two sides and the pattern here is 4.5 inches. The board itself is 4 inches. So it's going to be down a little bit here. Stack all these four together. Put them on chap saw and shave off that there now, probably 1/16 in the difference or whatever. Sand it all down and she's good to go. And my guys, I hope you find this interesting. Jimmy, I hope you like your gift.